In this quick video, I'll show you how to format a USB flash drive on your PC. Insert your USB flash drive to a USB port. And here's my flash drive here, the D drive. To format, right click, select format. And here, the first option is the capacity. Leave it at the default size of your flash drive. Mine is 60 gigabytes, which is this 58.5 gigabyte shown. File system. Some flash drive has more than 2 file system. Some has up to 4 file system. So in this case, mine has only 2 file system, which is the NTFS and the exFAT. And the exFAT is the default, so leave it at the default. Allocation unit size, leave it at the default, which is 128 kilobyte for a 60 gigabyte RAM. Restore device default. Don't go to that option. Then under the volume label, you can give your flash drive any name. So I'm going to leave it in my name here. So always select quick format if you want your flash to format without wasting any time. So select the quick format, and once you are done, click on start. So it will give you a warning that formatting will erase all the data in the flash. Click OK. And within 5 seconds, our formatting has been completed because of the quick format option we selected. Click on OK. To eject your flash, go to your taskbar, click on this drop down arrow icon. Click on the flash icon here where you see safely remove hardware and eject media. Click on it, eject disk 2.0, and you get a message safe to remove hardware, so you can eject your flash. Guys, that's how to quickly format a USB flash drive using your PC. If the video helped you, do well to support the video with a like, and also subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video.